Hi kids, today we will make flowers with the help of circles. I am adding 2 circles and 4 rounded petals around it. 1 small circle, 1 bigger circle around it and 4 rounded petals. Make sure your flowers are big enough. Adding stem. Now adding leaves in drop shape. Coloring this inner circle in red. I'm taking yellow and covering this full petal into sleeping stroke with this yellow. Blend it halfway with orange. Finish all 3 petals in the same way. Remaining circle I'm using blue. Going to the next flower, I'm coloring this inner circle into dark blue. Covering all 4 petals into maroon color. Make sure you're working within the lines. Finish all 3 petals in the same way. Last circle, I'm coloring it in orange color. For the leaves, divide leaf into 2 halves. One half is going to be dark green and other half is going to be light green. Dark green and followed by light green. Keep on practicing all the strokes at home because practice will only make you perfect. Stem in brown color. And there, your vibrant, colorful flowers are ready.